Hello all of you, welcome to our channel. So RRB CBT 1, paper 1, we are going to discuss here the new topic, ratio and proportion. So let us go to the first question. The ratio of two number is 3 is to 8 and the difference is 115. The smaller of the two number is, we have to find the smaller number between these two ratio, between these two, 3 is to 8. So see here, consider it as, consider the number. It is in the ratio now 3 is to 8. Just consider it as 3x and 8x. So writing an equation from highest to lower number, 8x minus 3x. What is the product? What is the differences between the two numbers? 150. What's the differences between those? 5x is equals to 150. So what is the value of x here? 115 by 5. What is the value of x? X is equals to 5 one time, 5 two times, and 5 three times. So here value of x. So what they x is 23. And so what they have to find here, what they have given to find that the smaller of the two number is. What is the smaller number between these two? 3 and 8, nothing but 3. 3 is the smaller number. 3x. Put this value, x value in between 3x. 3 into 23 is equals to how much? 23 3 is a 69. The answer is 69. Option is correct. The second question. Four numbers are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. The sum is 16. The sum of the first and fourth number is equals to this number and this number is equals to. Let us see here. Just consider it as, let x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. What is the sum of all this number? 16. Okay. So totally how many units they have given here? 10 units. Totally 10 units. 10 units is equals to 16, right? So 1 unit is equals to how much? 10 units is equals to 16. And 1 unit is equals to 16 by 10. So now what they have given? The sum of the first and fourth number is equals to 1 plus 4 units is equals to how much? 5 units. So what they have given here, 10 units is equal to 16, 1 unit is equal to 16 by 10. Now 5 units is equals to how much? 5 units is equals to how much? So see here, 16 by 10 into how many units? 5 units. So totally how much? Totally 8. The option 2 is correct. Third question. The sum of the two number is 40. The sum of the two number is 40 and the difference is 4. The ratios of the two numbers, nothing but, consider it as, sum of the two number is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. And here what they have given? The two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is nothing but 40 and sum of the two numbers nothing but just an a plus b is 40, a minus b is 40. Okay. So on adding this both, on addition, so can we write it as 2a? 2a is equals to 40 plus 4. Difference is now 40 plus 4 is equals to how much? 44. Now 2a is equals to 44, a is equals to 22. Now what is the value of b? B is equals to 40 minus 22. B minus c, nothing but 40 minus 22. Totally, what is the value? 18. Now we have to find the ratios between the two numbers now. A by b is how much? 22 by 18. How much? 11 by 9. 11 is to 9. So the ratio, the answer is third one. 11 is to 9. Fourth question. The ratio of the two number is 10 is to 7. The ratio of the two number is 10 is to 7. And the difference is 105. The sum of these two number is, they have given ratios of the two numbers and they have given the differences. We have to find the sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers is nothing but here. Just consider it as, let 10x plus 7x is equals to 105. So totally 17x, right? Totally 17x. We don't know. Well, we have to find the value of x here. So what we have to do here? So just then 10x minus 7x is equals to 105. 10 minus 7, nothing but 3x. 105. X equals to 105 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, and 5 times. X is, what is the value of x here? 35. Now we have to make the sum. Sum of the two numbers is how much? 17x, isn't it? 10x plus 7x is equals to nothing but 17x. Just place this x value in this. 17 into x is how much? 35. Totally how much? 595. That is the answer 595. The option 1 is correct. The product of the two numbers integer is 1575 and the ratios is 9 is to 7. The smaller number is, we have to find the smaller number. What they have given, product of the two numbers multiplied. Multiply the first two numbers. Okay, let us consider integers will be 9x and 7x respectively. According to the question, we have to, what they have given, product of the two numbers, nothing but we have to multiply 9x into 7x is equals to 1575. 9 sevens, how much? 63. Isn't it? 63x square is equals to 1575. X square is equals to 1575 by 63. So what is the value here? 63. X square is equals to 25 times. So x square value how much? 25. What is the value of x here? 5. What they have given, find the smallest number, smallest integer. Nothing but what is the smallest integer? 7x, isn't it? 7x is equals to, put the value of x, this x value, 7 into 5. 7 5 is 35. The value is 35. Option 2 is correct. See another problem. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 5 and the sum of their square c is 1862. The smallest of this number is, smallest of the number is, you have to find that. So position, what they given, let the number be 3, 2, 5, nothing but just consider it as let the number 3x, just consider 3x, 2x and 5x respectively. Now how we can write it, that we have to make it the square, 3x square plus 2x square. Why? Because it's the squares now. The sum of their squares is 1862. So we have to make the square of the whole numbers. Nothing but 3 square is nothing but 9x square plus 4x square plus 25x square. Right? So totally how much? 25 plus 4 plus 9. Totally 38x square is equals to 1862. So x square is equal to 1862 by 38. So x square is equals to, for the cancellation you will get 49. X square is equals to 49. X value is how much? 7. 7 7 is 49. So we have to put this x is equals to 7 in the smallest number. What is the smallest number in this? 2 is the smallest number. Smaller number is nothing but 2 into the x value is how much? 7. 7 2 is 14. The answer is 14. Option 3 is correct. The sum of the three number is 116. The ratio of the second to the third is nothing but 9 is to 16. And the third number is 1 is to 4. The second number is, we have to find the second number between these. So the sum of the three number is, sum of the three numbers is nothing but what? A is to B is to C. Nothing but A is to B is to C. Sum of the three numbers is how much? 116. So the ratio of the second to the third, just we have to consider it as a table. Just make a table, number system, number table. Number, just consider as 1. This is the places, pixel places, 1, 2, 3. Number places. So what they have given, the ratio of second to the third is 9 is to 16. Second and third, 9. And what is the third place? 16. And the first to the third number is, and the first one is 1, and the third number is 4. Here. Now multiply it. What you'll get? 16. Cross multiply it. 16 4 to 64. Like that. You have to cross multiply it. No, it is 16 and it is 4. Right. You have to make the places. No? So it is in the ratio of A is B is equal to C. How much? 16. This is a fixed places. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is a number place. So the ratio of the second to the third is nothing but second to the third. 9 is to 16. And the first to the third. First to the third is nothing but 1 is to 4. They cross multiply it and then you will get 6, 4, 9, 6, 9 into 4, 36. 16 4 to 64 and 16 1 times 16. So as we write this, A is to B is to C, 9, 16 and 4 times. So what they are given, they put the second number. What is the second number in this? 9. So second number by sum of the all numbers. 9 plus 16 plus 4 is equals to product of the three numbers, 116. 9 by 29 into 116. Totally how much? 9 one time and totally 36 times. Okay, the second number is nothing but 36. The option 4 is correct. Of the three numbers, the ratio of the first and the second is 8 is to 9. 8 is to 9. And the second and third number is 3 is to 4. The product of the first and third number is 2400, nothing but 2400. The second number is how much? So just consider it as, so what is A is to B? Just consider it as A is to B. So first and second number, just consider A is to B as 8 is to 9. Second number, B is to C. Second and third, nothing but B is to C is how much? 3 is to 4. Now totally consider this as A is to B is to C is how much? Now cross multiply 8 into 3. First AB, 8 into 3 is to, what is the second one? B. AB, BC, nothing but 9 into 3, 9 into 4. 8 3s are 24 is to 9 3s are 20, 9 3s are 27 is to 9 9 4s are nothing but 36. So anything in cancellation, 9 times, A 9, 8 times, 9 times, and the 12 times. 12 table. No, 3 table. So now just consider A's value how much? 8, B's value is nothing but 9, and C value is how much? 12 is equals to 8. We don't know the product, right? So according to the question, what they are given, first and third number is 2400. First and third number is nothing but 8 and 12. Just you have to write it. 8k into 12k is equals to 2400. What, how much? 12 8s are 72. K square is equals to 2400. K square is equals to 2400 by 72. K square is equals to 25. What is the value of k? 5. Put this value in the second number. How much? 9k. What is the second number? 9. 9k. Put this value in k. 9 into 5. 9 5 is 45. The option 1 is correct. Next question. The sum of the three numbers is 98. The sum of the three number is 98. If the ratio first to the second one is also, it is also the same manner. The sum of the three number is A is to B is to C is to nothing but is equals to 98. The ratio of the first and second nothing but A is B is nothing but 2 is to 3. And second and third number B is to C is how much? 5 is to 8. Then the second number is as in the same way. Just you can consider A is to B or X, Y or Z, anything. Now A is to B is to C is how much? Just consider for second number 2 into 5 is to 3 into 5 is to 3 into 8. 10, 15 and 24. So sum of the, what they have told us to find sum of the three numbers means you should add this. A plus B plus C is equals to how much? 10 plus 15 plus 24. This is how much? Totally 49. We have to find with the second number. What's the second number in this? Second number 15, right? 15 by 49 into 98. Why? Because some of the numbers now, some of the three numbers is 98. So cancel it and you'll get the value 49. So with option 1 is correct. So for the more interesting questions, to know for the more interesting, you have to try for more questions. So follow our channel. Thank you.